let's create a class for displaying a week of a day. Dot example dot calculator client dot application. So here I'll say week of a day client application. Okay, so it should involve main. Right. So week of a day. So so I had said like we have 7 days in a week. So we are using the integer over here. So let's say if I'm giving the input as 5, so it should display what? Thursday. Okay, Thursday or Friday.
Friday.
Saturday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah. Okay. Let's write a code. Okay. Here let's write a question. Write a program to display the um, week of a day based on the user input. Okay. Let's say integer if the user is giving, let's say day. I'm giving the day as 5. So if the day 5 is running, so you should display what? Switch here. You should give the input. So day. So this is the expression. And here you should give case 1. This out. So what's this out? Monday. Again. One more case you have to write. This is case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5, case 6, case 7, case 6, and case 7. For case 1, it is Monday, and for case 2, it is Tuesday. For case 3, it is Wednesday. Okay. For case 4, it is Thursday. For case 5, it is Friday. For case 6, it is Saturday. For case 7, it is Sunday. Okay. Let's format this code. Now here we will be writing the default case. It is not needed to write the break in the default case as well. If we are writing, it's fine. Now here we will be writing the formal message, something like please enter valid day, valid day. Please enter the valid day. Okay, let's execute. So what would be the answer? Which case will be executed if I run this program?
Case
Five, sir. Five.
Friday.
Friday.
Case 5
Friday.
will be executed.
Anthony.
Let's see. Yeah, Friday. Case 5 is executed. Likewise, you can use switch and you can write many programs. Okay.
Can we take an example of enum?
Okay. Enum, we have to like first define the enum actually. Okay. So enum concept is different. Okay. Going forward, I will explain you how to define that first. So you should understand the enum concept first before you write. Before you write. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe in next couple of days, in maybe in 2 or 3 days, I'll explain the enum as well. On that day, I'll write the switch. So it's quick, bit different actually compared to
Okay.
this no in string. Okay. Okay, fine then. Let me give you a simple assignment to you all. Okay.